So I got a 2022 Toyota Highlander key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery, okay? So at the bottom of the remote, there's a sliding button here, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pull it to the right, hold it down, and then you can pull out the emergency key. It unlocks the emergency key. We need that out of our way because what we're looking for is there is a tiny little slot, not the slot that the emergency key came out of, not this slot here on the left, but there's another slot right here that I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver on. It's not very deep, okay? It's very, very shallow right here in the middle. Hopefully you can see that right there. But I'm going to put the screwdriver here and I'm going to give this a twist. All I'm going to do is twist it a little bit and it cracks it open just like that. Now what you want to do is when you do this, you want the buttons facing down when you're holding this, because once you crack it open, all these get loose and they can fall out and you can lose them in the car. So we're going to carefully take off the back. We're going to put our hand right here because all this can come out, and we're going to hold this all together. And I'm using a flathead screwdriver, and there's a slot right here that you can use to pry out the battery. There's these little feet right here that hold it in. Just going to get the battery past that, and we can take it out, okay? I'll show you what size the battery is. So obviously you're replacing yours. It's a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. I'm going to stick it into the top first and then lock it back in here. Now if you need the battery size or if you need a battery itself, check the description box. I'll have everything there you need, and a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery for like $2. I think that might be like $4 for like 4 batteries, so get you covered for a couple of years right there. And you just get the back half, stick it back on here. Start at the top, work your way down. Snaps and clicks and pops all back together, and you know you have it put back together right when you get the emergency key. Stick it back in here, and if it locks in, you're good to go. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd at least hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. That would be really nice, and I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.